Learn English with YourInstill.
Hi, Mike. Who's your best friend?
That's easy, Tom. We're always together.
How long have you been friends?
Since first grade. What about you?
Lisa is my best friend.
Why is she your best friend?
She's kind and always helps me.
That's nice. What do you do together?
We watch movies and study.
Tom and I play video games.
Do you see each other every day?
Yes, he lives next door.
Lucky. Lisa lives far away.
What else do you like about Lisa?
She makes me laugh a lot.
Best friends are important.
Yes. Do you share secrets?
Of course. Tom knows everything.
Me too with Lisa.
Oh, there's Tom now.
And I see Lisa. Let's meet them.
See you later, Kate.
Hi, Peter. Are you coming to my birthday party?
Yes, when is it?
This Saturday at 3 o'clock.
Cool. Who else is coming?
The whole class.
Great. What will we do?
We'll play games and eat cake.
What kind of cake?
Chocolate, my favorite.
Can I bring my sister?
Of course. Do you like parties?
Yes, I love birthday parties.
What's your favorite party game?
Musical chairs. You?
I like dancing games.
Will there be balloons?
Yes, lots of them.
What color?
Blue and yellow.
Should I bring a present?
No presents needed?
Okay, can't wait.
See you Saturday.
Hi, Emma. Remember last summer?
Yes. When you fell in the pool?
That was so funny.
You were wearing your new shoes.
Don't remind me. Remember last week?
What happened?
When Joe wore his shirt backwards.
Oh, yes. The whole day.
Nobody told him until lunch.
That was hilarious.
And remember the school play?
When Tom forgot his lines?
And started singing instead.
Everyone was laughing.
What about your funny moment?
When I called our teacher, Mom.
That was the best.
So embarrassing.
The whole class laughed.
Even the teacher laughed.
Those were good times.
Yes, we should take pictures next time.
Good idea. See you later.
Bye, Sam.
Hi, Lisa. Thanks for helping me yesterday.
No problem. You looked sad.
Yes, I lost my lunch money.
Friends help each other.
You're a good friend.
Did you see what Tom did today?
No, what happened?
He helped Sarah with her books.
That was nice of him.
Yes, she dropped them all.
It's good to be kind.
Do you help others too?
Yes, I helped John with math.
That's great. He needed help.
Everyone needs help sometimes.
That's what friends are for.
Should we help in the library today?
Yes, Mrs. Brown needs help.
After school?
Perfect. Let's meet there.
Thanks for being my friend.
You too. See you later.
Hi, Maria. How was your summer vacation?
Amazing! We went to Spain.
Wow. What did you see there?
Beautiful beaches and big cities.
Did you swim in the ocean?
Yes, every day. Where did you go?
I visited my grandparents in Florida.
That's nice. Was it hot?
Very hot, but we went to Disney World.
Lucky. Did you have fun?
Yes, best vacation ever.
What was your favorite part?
The roller coasters. And yours?
The Spanish food?
Did you learn any Spanish?
Yes. Hola and gracias.
Cool. Where will you go next year?
Maybe Italy. You?
We're going to Canada.
In summer or winter?
Winter, for skiing.
That sounds fun.
Bells ringing. See you.